How to change your Chrome profile avatar or picture to your best or favorite one. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the same. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the Chrome browser first. Okay guys, before we go ahead, we need to check one thing, that your Chrome browser up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on this little three dot option, go to the help section, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not, it will be start updating automatically, and after update you need to just relaunch your Chrome browsers. After relaunch it will be reopen. And now if you want to change this avatar, just click on it, and you can click on this customize profile here, and you can see, you will see you come to customize profile. Just scroll down and you can pick up any avatar from here. There is a lots of avatar by Google. You can change it. You can see when I click in on it, it will be changed. Okay, so you can select only profile, Google profile photo for the avatar, or you can select the others. Okay, after select, just come back, then it will be changed. Okay, I don't want to change, so I just select my default one and just come back, and you can see it is changed. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.